What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another vlog video. Okay, yes, so this one is a day in my life. Yep. So door friend me a while ago, just eat open up. I think you have come out then. Yes, me gonna make some lunch now because Patty girl class is on break or lunchtime. So me gonna make some lunch. Yep. So, make a video that you know about I go see when me done I will see the outcome when I make but make a video it make a video with it guys so come. Finish cook now and she eat her lunch class start before me finish but she still a get down. Yes guys, so yeah, me have mine right about now. Make a video when me that do it. So yeah. So I just don't take out the but me go cook for dinner later because you know it always good when you know we go cook from early say prepare it. Yes, so me go just fry some fish on festival later. That's what dinner gonna be. Yep. So the fish them out of the fridge for them go and thaw out. So I go around the back and go scale them when the sun little cool. When the sun cool down, yeah, I just go around the back and scale the fish them.
We're still sharing. They Sean, you can stop. Not they Sean. Ishmael, you can stop sharing over there. All right. I heard people joining. Johnny's, Shanika is in. Kimon is in. Beautiful. Come on, just pop in. Yes. Come on in. What's the code is in the chat? Who keep on asking what's the code and the things are there? Why don't you read the chat? It says quizzes code. I should see everybody joining. All 15 of you. Just click the link and the code is there.
Yes guys, so I'm finish eat. I'm not gonna lie, lunch was really good. Enjoy it a lot. So I'm just digest my food now and make some reaction video and freshen up the bathroom. You know, I like to freshen up the bathroom on a daily basis, which is something that we all should do to keep it very sanitized and fresh. So digest, freshen up the bathroom, make some reaction video guys. So you will see me them element there. Alright, so checking back in the next clip, go and drink some water and chill. I want it do now, girl. Yes, guys. So evening now, some cool Want to go make the onion sauce. She tell me for wait. She go play a free fire. I don't think so. Me it's not bright, your son. Yeah, nowadays, sweetly, try come off for that. We need the onion sauce. Never have nothing for some pan. But I just some scale fish outside, because when I scale it inside, the scale fly up all over and I mess up the place. Dog about next door. Just a fish pan, here, so baby drop. And she da laugh if me dropping on. So just a stuff it, so. And around here cool, all the tree, the ackee tree. See the mango tree? Yeah, the Julie mango. See them pan there? Yeah, very cool. Ackee just starts a pop up now on the tree there. And no start pop up yet on this one. That one they always bear more. And the coconut jelly tree always have in jelly. Oh yes, the two ackee are way up in at the top then. Yeah, way up in at the top, and then the black mango tree over there. So my ear scale fish now. Guys, you're not gonna lie. You know go on? You're not telling me no lie. This is how I lie. Scale fish. This I'm not buying no more when I scale because I'm not in the scaling thing. That's not my fortune. That's your problem. You're handicapped when it comes to scale fish.
Don't move, watch the mosquito.
Ow!
You come bloody.
Hey, come, get it. No, go, you go for the piece of the napkin, girl, and wash your hand. Damn. I don't like kill mosquito much less nobody kill mosquito from me, no. I don't like nobody kill mosquito from me.
Tisha want to a mosquito, you know?
Me no like it. Don't kill no mosquito from me.
Alright, next time I see, make him suck your blood.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, Stephanie, your sister.
Yeah, I don't like it. Don't kill mosquito.
Me nah go help you now. Me a run left you. Me tell you that. Me soon go save you.
And worse, me get a knife from the fish scaling team. Me just start on me a knife.
You just dead and done. Watch me. Dead and done.
It's done already. I'm not good at it.
I said dead and done. Me not save you.
I'm not good at scaling no fish. So it's annoying when I have to do it. But when I used to buy the fish, they used to scale it, but I don't know why them stop scaling. So I have to go buy fish somewhere else because I'm not scaling no fish.
Bad. That's if you make me stay and do my man.
If me good at it, it's not so bad. Like, you know, long them 5 fish you're gonna take for scale. Guys, these 5 fish gonna take forever to scale. So, it's some wallet, even wallet like a handicap, like. I don't know what they are.
Yeah, why?
Well, it's so stupid, like. But I love fish, that's the whole thing. I love me some fish.
And Tisha, why can't that talking then?
I love me some fish,
You know,
guys.
fish.
Mega. Come back when I'm almost done scale. So guys, this is the last fish leaf. I'm almost done. You see when I'm gonna scale fish, this is what happened to me. I wear the fish all over me. All over me.
And Tisha, clean the fish thing.
I'm
And
telling
Tisha is a
you.
fish bath you have though.
Having a fish bath. Whenever me something like
Man over here, man over here. Man over here. Going to the house, going to the warehouse. Man over here. I'm at home.
You see?
And Tisha, no, I'm not going to help you, you know. Make sure tell her before you go. If you want to go trouble him and the man kill you,
So,
I'm not coming come help you.
We never found.
But just come take the
We
kill.
never found.
That's all me I come do. I gonna look heal and shield bomb.
Like, taking
I get the level 3 bag when I did one.
like,
One green bag, one green soldier bag. That is level 3 bag. It's a level 2 bag you have or a level 1. It's a level 2 bag that you have.
make sure you take out
So one next E them you come take you up for your reach.
sure
You know,
inside
get no
is
heel.
properly clean out, you know.
Want if a man shoot you, you're dead.
Good.
Look how
All the
him
fish
big.
gut. Make sure all the fish gut come out of the fish. Clean and scrape inside it very properly.
Go here.
Yeah, go on.
Later.
Bye.
Just come when the food done.
Think so? No, but dash that first before you go. Make sure you clean out inside properly.
Yeah,
Get
not
all
enough left
like
back. Anything left back,
out
you're gonna
of
kill the
it,
person behind you.
guys. Clean it out very properly.
Very.
That's why me I'll take so long.
Oh, come here.
And this is
You
what
want
happens to
eel?
me every time. Me have to pick this
Come
and
now,
not
how
pick
much
this up
eel
wipe
you have?
off my chest, guys. See you in another next
Eh?
clip.
Bomba, me have 8, me I give you 4.
So right now, guys, may I salt the fish. There's some salt water, vinegar and salt water before I start fry them. And just I sit down outside now and I have a mango. Yeah, it's evening. It's soon dark up. So I'm just gonna take a 5 before I start cooking. I'm going to enjoy my mango before me go back inside. It's not the fridge, so cool and nice. Not gonna lie. Just look out and enjoy my mango. Enjoy the local man evening breeze. Inside hot as hell and outside cool. So I'm see you in the next clip when I fry the fish them and I go have dinner, guys. The ball start. I fry the festival them and I make the sauce over here. Yes, you see them brown and nice and pretty. Yes, after I done that now just the fish leaf for fry and that's it. Fish frying now. Yes guys, so I fry up the fish now. That leave now festival done fry, the sauce done mix. So just the fish in a pot now and then eat time. Can't wait because I kind of feel hungry now. It's finished. Fish and no festival. Yeah, girl.
Yeah, that is
What did you go on the fish? So guys, my belly is full. So what I'm gonna do now is cool off, take a shower, and do some editing before we go to my bed. So thank you for spending the day with me. And remember when you watch the video to like and to share and to tell a friend and to tell a next friend about It's Just Denise and Tati Girl. Alright girls? Yes. So see you in my next vlog video. Bye.